Hi, Chef Carl here. I'm now a plumber. Yeah! I got 2 careers now. And today we're going to show you how to get your water heater set up, all right? Hey guys, a lot of people have been saying that I explain things. So please, if you want a part 2 to show you guys how to plug in your water heater, please let me know. Because it's very shocking that you guys know this by yourselves. It's electrifying. I guess you guys got the plug. Yeah. I guess, for me giving out help, there's no outlet. Okay, that's all the puns I have, guys. First, we just get some water. I trust you guys to know that was we did a lot on water on my my cooking channel, so yeah, it's trusting you guys to know how to pour yourself a glass of water. Okay, please, I have trust issues. Okay, please. Okay, you guys will be fine. You guys will be fine. All right. Next, you put it in the water heater. Serious business. There you go. And done. Wow. Nice warm water. Thanks, water heater. Just gotta get rid of the excess water. So very important. And don't actually do this. That's very important. Don't try this at home. So I don't know if I could have. I don't think I would have electrocuted anything, but Chef Carl is very paranoid. Oh, not to fix that. I didn't sign up for this. If you guys enjoyed my tutorial, leave a like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you when you watch me again. Metaphorically.